Hey guys, it's me Elena and today is long-awaited unboxing for me. I was waiting for this doll to be fully announced and then released and delivered for almost 2 years now, I believe. This is Volks SuperDollfie Elsa from the Disney cartoon Frozen. Okay, let's stop talking and start unboxing. Well, now they know! On the lid of the box in the middle is a big sticker with the Elsa portrait in the frame. I saw this doll on display before and actually she looks different in real life. I like her a lot more in reality. A bit lower on an icy background it says that it's a SuperDollfie Disney collection. Before Elsa we have also seen releases of Rapunzel and Cinderella. Here also we see that this doll is on the SD graffiti body, which is the same as my jaw march I unboxed in a previous video. On the side of the box there is a sticker with additional information. I paid 132,000 yen for this doll. This doll is as always for people of 15 years and up. The box lid is of a magical pearl sand color which has a purple light and it's reminding us of ice. The box itself is golden. Let's briefly look at what papers we got with the doll. First, of course, is the doll-specific booklet. Here is another portrait of Elsa, set description, and a few important points of caution information. Basically, it tells to be careful with the wig, dress, and everything as it is fragile. That's understandable, after all it's a collector's doll. Inside are a lot of little details explaining how to put her hands on, dress her up correctly, and how to put on Elsa's shoes so they stay on her feet. Apparently there will be some velcro to help with this. We can also see details of how to put the doll's wig on and style it to look the same way as on the promo. On the back is a big photo of Elsa and her sister Anna. I decided to skip Anna, but she's so smiley and cute. It was a hard decision. What do you think? Did I make a mistake? Another paper is a little information which could probably be for people who got their first Dollfie and the ways to get support about your dolls. Finally, a big SuperDollfie guidebook. It has all the basic information you need to know about Dollfies and everything is duplicated in English. Starting with Elsa's skirt, it's time to look at her iconic outfit from the first Frozen cartoon. This skirt is of a teal color with glitter stripes. You can tell it's a very tight fit to match the curves of the graffiti body. It has a dark blue lining and a gorgeous long cut on the side. The skirt is longer on the back and drapes nicely. The skirt fastens from behind with a hidden white zipper. Inside we can find Volks tag and additionally a Disney tag. I wish there would be some color gradient similar to the cartoon where the skirt is a bit darker on the bottom, but overall I think it matched the original pretty well. Moving on to the Elsa's top, which is kinda all the things together: blouse, corset and the cape. The silver blouse part is made from a thin material, which is weave of grey and silver threads. Long sleeves end with a pointy edge to which is attached a pearl bead and silver string. You should wrap it around the doll's finger and fasten it on the bead. It's not on the original Elsa outfit, but will help to hold the sleeve in place. I accept such modifications as we are talking about transferring drawn character to a real-life object. The corset is blue net fabric with blue glitter spots on it. It repeats the pointy shape of the original corset. My favorite part of the outfit is this long and gorgeous cape. It is so long and wide. It's made of a light blue transparent fabric with silver glittery snowflakes all around it. It has a cut on the back and from it spreads a big frosty design. The cape has an uneven edge which kinda makes it look more icy. It is longer in the middle and ends with a big snowflake on the very tip. This cape is so epic and looks outstanding on the doll. Just looking at it, you see how light and frosty it looks. I can't wait to put it on Elsa and see what dynamic epic poses she can make with it. The top fastens behind with 4 metallic hooks. Lining inside is dark blue and it has Volks and Disney text as well. I hope it won't stain the doll's body. Volks cautioned that glitter could come off, but I must say it's not that bad at all. The glitter holds pretty well on the clothes. Elsa's panties are simple white with some strings on the waist and legs areas. Here we have Elsa's hand parts. First, a default to this graffiti body, relaxed neutral gesture hands. Second one, on the other hand, is a very interesting piece. They are made specifically for Elsa and not available to buy in any other way. They are stunning. The fingers are spread in a powerful move. The sculpt is finely detailed. I'm so looking forward to Elsa doing her magic on photoshoots using this. Okay, let's check out Elsa's iconic hairstyle. The wig is of the original blonde color. I can feel a little hardness on the front locks, which helps to keep locks shape. On the front is a little lock sticking out, same as in the cartoon. On the side, they also created little locks to imitate sideburns. On the back, the hair is tightened into a thick braid. Volks said not to pull them, so it makes me think there is something complicated going on to achieve Elsa's hair view. The braid is tightened nicely with a thread, which is more preferable than strings, which will unavoidably crumble with age. The end of the hair is curled. The wig cap is light beige. And here we go! Promised Velcro to attach shoes to the feet. It's a soft sticker-like Velcro. I wonder how well it will work for this purpose. This box contains one of the biggest highlights of this set, Elsa Ice high heel shoes. I think Volks did an amazing job with them. They are made from a blue plastic which contains teeny purple sparkles. I'm so happy they're not just blue. It adds a lot of magic to them in my opinion. It is mentioned in the instructions that you should be gentle with these shoes. No wonder, look at all these fine ice spikes details. It would be such a shame to accidentally snap a piece. If you look at the original shoes from the cartoon, I think they look incredibly close. On the front and the back of the shoes, 2 silver crystals are inserted. I'm happy that they are not just glued on the surface. High quality attention to the design. From the inside we see that heels consist actually from 2 parts attached to each other, but outside it won't be noticeable at all. Here are also Disney and Volks logos. Let it go! Let it go! Don't forget to subscribe not to miss my videos in the future and show your support. Oh my, Elsa's face is so beautiful. I wasn't sold on the promo photos, but I almost instantly decided to get her after I saw her at the store. Her face up is made very nicely and professionally. She has gorgeous, gentle eyebrows, purple eyeshadows and some pretty eyeliner. Top lashes are black and bottom lashes are painted in brown with some white highlights. I love that Volks added subtle freckles. They are a bit of a blue color which adds a cool effect to our Snow Queen. And look at her lips. They made this cute smirk by painting one corner of her lips a bit longer and up. This is so unusual and I'm completely in love with this expression. Not saying that it's exactly the expression she has on the popular Frozen pictures. Overall, the sculpt has a pointy nose and almond-shaped eyes. To me, she looks pretty much like Elsa with very nice touches in her face-up to deliver original character expression. What do you think? Her glass eyes are a very beautiful teal color. They suit her so well. Behind we see a metallic plate which doesn't look like the usual Volks plates. This plate is copper looking and they use such plates specifically for Disney collaboration dolls. It has Disney copyright and SuperDollfie. It is also noted that this doll is made in Japan. Inside, as usual, we can see that eyes are hot glued. I wanted to make a little skin tone comparison with other dolls I have. Elsa has a so-called alabaster skin, and you can see that it's a bit pinker than white skin. What do you think about the doll? Has Volks done good shelling Elsa into a doll form? Maybe you pre-ordered Elsa or Anna or maybe both sisters as well. Love dolls and let it go!
The cold never bothered me anyway.